Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be reverse searing some steaks on this Ninja Woodfire. That's right. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get started on these reverse seared steaks. First off, I do want to mention that this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this Ninja Woodfire myself just to see if they really work in giving the steaks or meat a good smoky flavor. So again, this is my first time turning this on, so I'm just going to turn it on to smoker. Alright, so the smoke symbol is on, meaning that the pellets will smoke at this temperature. I'm going to smoke these at probably 225. And yeah, 4 hours is enough. We're not going to go 4 hours, but that's enough time. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to fill up the little hopper on the Ninja Woodfire with some pellets. Now the pellets I'm going to be using on this video are from Smokin Pecan pellets. Now when you buy the Ninja Woodfire, it does come with a couple of small bags. I don't know what this stuff is, but we're just going to toss those. Thank God those did not land in the pool. Now these pellets are 100% pecan shell pellets, and if you got a Ninja Woodfire, you guys that have been watching my channel know what these will do on a pellet smoker. But if you have a Ninja Woodfire, this is the pellet that you want to use if you want a good smoky flavor on your food. So I'm just going to fill up this little hopper right here on the side. Pretty simple. That fills it up all the way to the top. So I'm going to preheat the Ninja Woodfire, and I'm just going to hit start. Okay, we got ignition, it says. So that should warm up the Ninja Foodie. I'm going to move this aside and let's season up our steaks. Now I don't smell any smoke yet, so I'm assuming the pellets are still igniting. Meanwhile, let's take these steaks out of the package here. Now these are ribeye steaks that I vacuum sealed, probably about a month and a half ago. And these are from 1855. Beautiful, probably 1 inch thick cut steaks. Check out those beautiful steaks, really nice and marbled. Gotta tell you, 1855 does it right. Alright, so the seasoning that I'm going to use for these steaks is from A Fuego Lento. This is their carnita asada rub, and I've been wanting to try this rub, or all of the rubs, for a very long time. So thank you, A Fuego Lento, for sending me that care package. I'm going to apply enough seasoning on these steaks. Oh, I can smell some smoke now. Let me hurry up and season these bad boys. And this seasoning smells delicious. Holy smokes, I am getting smoked out here. This thing is smoking like crazy. So I'm going to install my meter probe onto one of these steaks, right smack in the middle. Now this is the new meter 2. Now this new meter probe does have 5 sensors, and it doesn't take an average of the temperature on those 5 sensors. It actually takes the lowest temperature, which I like. Alright guys, you can see the Ninja Woodfire just puffing a ton of smoke. Now I don't know which pellets you guys are using, but these Smokin Pecan pellets right here will give you more smoke, I guarantee you, than any other pellet in the market right now. So let's load up our steaks. Look at that. Ooh, man. Crazy. Alright, here's steak number 1 and steak number 2. Alright guys, I'm going to close this lid. I'm looking for about 115 degrees internal temperature. Once these steaks hit that temperature, I will bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes or so, and my meter probe is saying we've got about 1 more minute left in this cook. And this is really neat because it tells you exactly how long it's going to take. Now we're looking for 115 degrees. Right now we're sitting at 111.9, and it's climbing really fast. So first of all, I am really impressed with this Ninja Foodie. It does produce a ton of smoke, and it cooks extremely fast. So we are almost at 115. We're sitting at 112, so this happens really quick. So let's give this about 1 more minute. Alright, so I just got the alarm removed from heat. So it does take into consideration the carryover because we're only at 113.3. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the steaks off. Oh, look at that color. Wow. That is a beautiful color on these steaks in such a short amount of time. That is pretty amazing. So I'm going to take these steaks off, put them on this plate right here. Man, look at that color. That is so cool. So I'm just going to cover these with foil, keep them nice and warm. All right, so I need to grill these steaks, and I believe I've got to turn it off and then turn it back on the grill. And I'm going to set the temperature to high. I'm going to do this for, I don't know, it's going to happen quick, but I want at least 20 minutes in there. So it's going to preheat. All right, guys, so the Ninja Woodfire is up to temperature, but I do want to show you guys that the steaks did go up to 119, almost 120 degrees, just sitting there, okay? So proof that carryover is important. Make sure you guys take that into consideration whenever you're grilling a steak. So let's load up our steaks again. This grill should be really nice and hot. Oh yeah. Nice, listen to that sizzle. Just pressing down on the steaks a little bit. Got this little trick from Cooking with CJ. If you guys want a channel, this guy is an expert at the Ninja Woodfire and all of their stuff. Check out his channel. I'm going to leave a link down inside the description box so you can check him out. All right, so I'm going to let those steaks sear for a little bit. I'm going to close the lid. All right, I wonder if I can hit this smoke button. No, that's not doing anything. Anyhow, these steaks already have a good amount of smoke on them. I gotta tell you, the aroma that's coming from these steaks right now is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get these steaks done. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes now. The internal temperature of our steak is about 122 degrees. Oh my goodness. So we got some sear marks on these steaks. Oh yeah. Just gonna turn them a little bit. Just like that. Give them another 2 minutes. All right, guys, a couple more minutes have passed. Let's go ahead and flip our steaks. Oh my goodness. That color and those cross hatches are amazing. All right, I'm just gonna go about a minute on this other side. All right, so I'm looking for 135 degrees internal. Once the steaks hit that temperature, I'm gonna pull them off, let them rest for about 5 minutes, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so the steak hit 135 degrees internal, and it has been resting for 5 minutes. Let's take a look at it, slice into it, then we'll give it a taste. First off, I gotta tell you, this is an amazing looking steak. For being cooked on this Ninja Woodfire, absolutely amazing. Look at this. All right, guys, let's take the meter probe out. This thing did an absolute amazing job. I'm gonna take the spinalis off, my favorite part of the steak, the ribeye. Let's cut into it right here. Oh yeah, it's a nice medium, not necessarily medium rare. Look at that. Oh yeah, nice pink center. Let's give it a taste. All right, let's give this Ninja Wood-fired reverse seared steak a try and see how we did. Look at that, nice pink center. Hopefully you can make that out with these bright lights out here. Here we go. Wow. Man, this steak's got a really good smoky flavor. You know, because that Ninja Woodfire is so small and compact, it's really smoky. I am really liking this. Gonna get a piece of the spinalis. Look at that. Oh yeah. I gotta tell you, man, that smoke flavor and that seasoning from my fuego lento is absolutely delicious. Guys, I gotta tell you, I never thought that I'd be cooking on a Ninja anything, but that Ninja Woodfire is pretty neat. But the magic behind that Ninja Woodfire are these smoking pecan pellets. Make sure you guys check them out at the link below and grab yourself a few of these bags. I'm also going to be leaving a link on where you can buy the seasonings that I use in this video. Check them out as well and thank them for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.